Quick question. What time did you wake up this morning?
Around 7, I think.
See? That's already using English to talk about your daily routine. And today, we're going to teach you how to describe your entire day in natural, everyday English.
Welcome to Easy English Lessons and Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, welcome. We make English learning fun and practical. And if you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning English.
So, Emma, why is talking about daily routine so important for English learners?
Great question, because it's one of the first things people ask when they meet you. What do you do in the morning? How do you get to work? What time do you go to bed? These are super common conversation topics.
Plus, you use so many practical verbs and time expressions. It's honestly one of the best ways to practice everyday English.
Exactly. So today, we're going to walk through a typical day from morning to night, and we'll teach you all the vocabulary and phrases you need.
Should we start with the morning routine?
Let's do it. Okay, so David, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, I turn off my alarm, or sometimes I hit the snooze button a few times.
So relatable. Okay, so listeners, we say the alarm goes off in the morning, not the alarm rings. We say it goes off.
And if you want 5 more minutes of sleep, you hit the snooze button. To hit here just means to press.
Then, when you finally stop hitting snooze, you get up or get out of bed. These both mean you stop lying down and start your day.
Right. So for me, after I get up, I usually drag myself to the bathroom. Drag myself means I move slowly because I'm still tired.
I love that expression. So what's your bathroom routine?
Pretty standard. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I take a shower. Or you can say have a shower. Both are correct.
And after the shower?
I dry off with a towel. That means I use a towel to dry my body. Then I get dressed.
Get dressed is so useful. It just means to put on your clothes. You can also say put on my clothes or change into my work clothes.
What about you, Emma? What do you do after getting dressed?
Well, I usually go downstairs to the kitchen and make breakfast. Go downstairs means go to a lower floor. The opposite is go upstairs.
And what do you make for breakfast?
It depends. Sometimes I make toast with butter and jam. Other times I prepare some yogurt with fruit. The key verb here is make or prepare.
And we say have breakfast or eat breakfast. For example, I usually have breakfast at 7:30.
While I'm eating, I often check my phone or watch the news. We use while to show two things happening at the same time.
That's a great point. After breakfast, I usually wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher.
Oh, and don't forget, brush your teeth. This is so important. You brush your teeth in the morning and before bed.
Good reminder. Then around 8 o'clock, I grab my things, my bag, my keys, my phone, and I leave the house.
Leave the house means to exit your home and start your journey. And grab is informal for take quickly.
So, Emma, how do you get to work?
I take the subway. The whole trip takes about 30 minutes. We use take for transportation. Take the bus, take the train, take the subway.
And we say something takes a certain amount of time. The journey takes 30 minutes, or it takes an hour to get there.
Exactly. What about you?
I drive to work. My commute is about 25 minutes if there's no traffic. Commute is the noun for your journey between home and work.
And during your commute, what do you do?
I usually listen to podcasts or music. It makes the drive more enjoyable. When I arrive at work, I park my car and head into the office.
Arrive at is the phrase we use when you reach a place. I arrive at work at 8:30.
Then my workday begins. I start working immediately. That means right away, with no delay.
What does a typical work morning look like?
Well, first, I check my emails and respond to any urgent messages. Then I attend meetings or work on my projects. Attend meetings means to go to and participate in meetings.
We use work on when talking about projects or tasks. I'm working on a report, or I'm working on a new project.
Around noon, it's time for lunch. I take a lunch break. That's the period when you stop working to eat.
Do you bring lunch from home or buy something?
It depends. Sometimes I bring leftovers from home. Other times I go to a nearby restaurant with colleagues. Colleagues are the people you work with.
During lunch, we usually chat. That means have a casual, friendly conversation. It's a nice break from work.
After lunch, I go back to work and continue my tasks until about 5 or 5:30. Then I finish work and head home.
Finish work means your workday is complete, and then the evening begins. The evening routine is interesting because everyone does it differently. David, what do you do when you get home?
When I get home, I usually feel pretty tired, so I change into comfortable clothes first. Change into means to put on different clothes.
That makes sense. Then what?
Then I relax for a bit. Maybe I sit on the couch and check my phone, or I watch some TV. Relax means to rest and feel calm after a busy day.
Do you cook dinner or do you order food?
I like to cook. I usually prepare dinner around 6:30 or 7. It could be anything. Pasta, chicken with vegetables, a stir-fry. Stir-fry is when you cook food quickly in a hot pan.
And we say prepare dinner, make dinner, or cook dinner. All are correct.
While dinner is cooking, I sometimes call my family or text with friends. Then I eat dinner, usually around 7:30.
After dinner, do you clean up right away?
Yeah, I try to. I wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher, and I clean up the kitchen. Clean up means to make a place neat and tidy.
Then you have your free time in the evening.
Exactly. Sometimes I watch a movie or a series on Netflix. Other times I read a book or play video games. It depends on how I'm feeling.
We use sometimes and other times to show variety in your routine. Not every evening is the same.
What about you, Emma? What's your evening like?
Pretty similar. After dinner, I usually unwind. That means I relax and let go of stress from the day. I might call a friend, watch YouTube, or just listen to music.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes, if I'm feeling energetic, I go for a walk or do some yoga. Go for a walk is a common expression. It means to walk outside for exercise or fresh air.
That's healthy. And then the bedtime routine begins.
The bedtime routine is so important. David, what time do you usually start getting ready for bed?
Around 10 o'clock or 10:30, I always brush my teeth again. Dental hygiene is important.
Definitely. We say brush your teeth and also wash your face if you do that before bed.
Then I get ready for bed. Get ready for bed means you prepare to sleep. Maybe you put on pajamas, set your alarm for tomorrow, or organize things for the next day.
I always set my alarm before bed. I say I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m. That way I won't oversleep.
Good idea. I also like to read for a few minutes before sleeping. It helps me relax.
That's nice. So you get into bed, read a bit, and then turn off the light.
Exactly. Then I go to sleep. We say go to sleep or fall asleep. Usually I'm asleep by 11.
And then the next morning, the whole routine starts again. Okay, Emma, let's do a quick recap of the most important phrases we learned today.
Great idea. For the morning, we have wake up, get out of bed, turn off the alarm, hit the snooze button, take a shower, get dressed, make breakfast, have breakfast, brush your teeth, and leave the house.
For work and commuting, take the bus, drive to work, the journey takes, arrive at work, start working, attend meetings, work on projects, take a lunch break, and finish work.
For the evening, get home, change clothes, relax, prepare dinner, cook dinner, eat dinner, clean up, wash the dishes, watch TV, and unwind.
And for bedtime, get ready for bed, brush your teeth, set your alarm, go to bed, and go to sleep.
Don't forget time expressions. We use in the morning, around 7 o'clock, at noon, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, and before bed.
And frequency words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never.
So there you have it, a complete daily routine with all the vocabulary you need.
Now it's your turn. Try describing your own daily routine in English. Use the phrases we taught you today.
And leave us a comment. Tell us one thing you do every day that makes you happy. Is it your morning coffee, reading before bed? We want to know.
Thanks so much for listening to Easy English Lessons and Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with anyone learning English.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.